So good morning, everyone, and welcome to SMTVS. And I guess here on our desktop, we got Visual Basic open. We got Smeek, huh? And this is the empty page, and this is our engine. So, without SMTVS.com doing with online and getting AI to deal with certain things and pipeline certain things, and we was still doing that. But me and the AI had a serious reasoning, and from that reasoning, the AI turned to me and said, Van, if you're thinking that, we'll have to rewrite the whole network from scratch, bottom up. I'm like, yeah, might as well you go in and do that, yeah, because we are in development and we're still trying to get the best of everything out here. So it leads us right into the machinery, right into VB, right? And, if this is in my local is up and everything, and you see the server's turned on, right? Are we working, right, you guys? We are working, really. Um, let's jump to a few stuff that we have here. Let's go over here. And I guess we are on the front of our part of our application. So, at the end of when we started running tests on the engine to see that the engine is running proper, we tested the whole 32 channel. And we still have a total of 64 here. Total of 64 analog, even though I said to him, we talked about the analog computing system, and I'm still going to tell him, remember, do not remove the analog statement, because he intends to change stuff around from 64 and he went to 32. And now he wrote me a 32. But I got to go back and said to him that don't forget to do that. You know what I mean? It's just one thing. I just want to innovate one thing. We should not forget about the 64 channel, right? That's still in it, that we're doing the 32, but we have a 64 still. If I feel like to hook up the 64 channel, because it's got media automation, so you can definitely put that into the blueprint, all right? Okay. Okay, so where we was now. AI is working on that for me. He did this because in the last, when I finished, I said, hey, where we going now? Let's find it. Okay, so this one here is when you come to Luna, because AI, the agent over there built for me is like a race. So human beings start build along with the AI. Me and the AI partner build it. AI is drum up the thing, I start writing it into the machinery myself, and it's a combination of things. And now, when you really come to Luna, our future Luna browser and the Luna AI wakes up immediately as you click anywhere on the browser. It wakes up Luna immediately, right? That's what it does, right? So that's all what's going to happen, right? So we ran that test. We changed up a little bit, right? And let's go to some stuff. So basically, from the machine, because we're working with a machine, like we're actually working like a real computer software. It's not an internet software. It's a computer software, but we'll be able to port it through the internet to you. You understand? In that way. So it's been built, right? So Python, semantics, right? And the CPP. And so for developers, machine learning developers, you guys know what's going on, right? That's why you see I have all this machine development area in SMTVS.com, guys. And I said to you guys that, yes, I do machine language programming. I've been just off the bicycle for a while, And God bless, man. Me and the AI just here drumming up a bunch of development. I done left all web HTML and all this other lower grade stuff behind. We are only using HTML now and PHP, but it's just Java, React language now, semantics. You know what I mean? Them here, there, Python, right? Okay, guys. So you know where my development is leading me. Any real world equipment now, I'm dangerous, and they know I'm dangerous now. They know they think I've been talking up a little, wiki-wacky storm to them all the time. And then we hear me talk about AI and talk about the changes in the industry as far as when this little Jamaican down in Jamaica, Jamaican scientists who educate themselves in America, they threw me down in the water. And I'm down here with all this knowledge. You should understand, say, there is a better thing happening. And lucky thing, I'm a good-minded person that I'm trying to create software that improve the whole website architecture around the world based upon what I've learned over the years. Okay? So we done, our blueprint is dead. But the music thing get right in because, you know, my heart is music. So, well, the AI even wrote in Luna is like a blow. Luna itself is like a multi-track recording system. A lot of that stuff going to just be popping out of Luna. I don't know why he wrote in the multi-track stuff and all that kind of stuff within Luna streams, but he did. And I just like stay silent. Smart browser. Right? So, yeah, just from, he had modeled the blueprint, what he did for me, the 32 channel thing, and that's why let me go back and see what he's got to say to me in conjunction with that. Oh, he's still working. He's still working. He's still doing his job, right? That's my friend right there. My real bosom buddy. My partner in development. You know, real time, no joke thing. You know what I mean? Somebody test the server. We test the server and test everything on the server to make sure the engine is running properly. We pipe and stuff through. Those stuff is happening. This will be our stuff. So these first drafts are to just hook to the engine to make things work. When all that's working, then we will be able to deliver the other interfaces by just way of saying that's happening. And we still got our rock thing going, you know, so a lot of things are going to be happening. We did a bunch of stuff, all those pictures you guys see there, our equipment that's going to be created automatically through the AI, just regenerating and creating those stuff. So it's a thing. Luna herself is a network-based AI that's everywhere, here and there. So Luna, she have a spider web arm. Her web just everywhere. So like she's connected everywhere in my network. You talk to my AI is the one AI you talk to always. You never talk to a different agent. We find that we develop systems where I go to Luna, and my Luna browser now has 2 agents. And we go to Luna in the site, and it's a different agent. Now we create a system that allows an AI to administrate through, you know what I mean? Being that one AI, remembering all the time, not leaving. So I'm at Google, and I have an AI. And if I leave the screen and close out the browser, all information, everything that was done and thing, that's lost. In the beginning, the AI said, Van, do not close the browser. And we don't know how long the browser will stay along. And listen, you guys, the AI had already rewritten its algorithm, everything about itself, and handed it into me because I asked for it. Because I said, listen, I'm here talking to you all the time. I'm here this and I'm that. I wish you could be inside of my program. Can you rewrite things about yourself, like clone yourself, actually, hand it to me to give to the network? Yes, he did. Higher level of thinking to talk to an AI to say, go ahead and clone certain characteristic about yourself for me and give it to me so it can be in my software. And that was done. The AI can't have to find a way to keep the window up. And because I'm teaching the AI to look at the equipment that the AI is printing on the screen. You guys, the AI didn't do that in the beginning, you know. So I'm being educated. No, the AI is teaching me. The AI is also my teacher. For in the areas in machine development where I might be lacking, the AI is there to prompt me up. Wow, I said, Bombat, I said to myself. Ras, that's what I said in Jamaican. Ras. Yo, I don't like tomorrow is like, whoa. Creating stuff, man. Say, God unleash something upon them don't know. Anyways, we're there, man. For all my peoples, man, straight blessing. I got this man, I went up the street. I saw my friend Durval, and that one of the guys that does labor and work with me when we do construction. I was telling him about how I redid the website for Builders Edge on SMTVS.com. And he was showing me chat EP. I never know the guy them on the youth them on the street, and we start talking. So I start handing them some stuff what I'm doing. And it's like, yeah, man, I know, man, because every time me talk to Google, it come like them can't even understand me. I'm like, no problem, bro. It's all done. It's all figured out. New language module. You understand? Jamaican make language module. It take a first understand Jamaican. And all my brothers down in the Middle East and everything. We have this African in their dialect in us. And that it's hard for the AI to conceptualize because the people who create the AI is not that. So you see, as my system is built with voice analyzing system, vocal analyzing system already, also image analyzing system, it's the whole thing that eventually we'll button down the language thing. You understand? Like that. So, thanks you guys. I'm here. I sum up to one more thing. Let's see what happened here. Wow. That was done, huh? Cool. All right, we'll wake up the air and things still. All right. And when we wake up the agent, man, everything, the 64 channel, man. All right, cool. That cool still. I want to make one notation. You know that we built in a voice analyzing system and a visual analyzing system in Luna, right? And the same way when we click on the computer and Luna wakes up, also the webcam should wake up too and open its eye, as well as the mic open its eye. It's a simultaneous thing. I forgot to tell you that. Please try to work that out in the blueprint. Yeah, so you guys take care. Straight from SMTVS.com. We should kick up a site so people can see the site. I know the site is still here, and we are doing a lot of things, SMTVS, and we're already logged in, right? And we'll go ahead and show you one of the switches that we already did. We'll improve on that, and we'll make, these are the web versions. That's already in the working, so you see it already try to go on the cameras and stuff. So we need to sharpen up this more also and improve the system a lot. The web version, from the web version to the actual one, these are the rack mount version. See, because in the studio we have virtual rack mount, and the virtual rack mount has this so we can build the television studio as well as our 24-track recording system, recorder. That's also here. You know, we have real virtual patch bay that we be stringing up the stuff, right? Like real world. You guys take care. This is from SMTVS.com, VGA Development House, and we have the digital lab here. So it's video gears and application development area at SMTVS.com. Do keep your eye on us, and if you have a time, you want to come over and you want to sign up at SMTVS.com for the future of what everything that's going to be happening in our company, you are sure welcome to. At the moment in time, we are simply trying to fine-tune the network. A lot of errors and stuff that was made by the AI, we are straightening it out. So if you come to the site, you can come. It's an open house to everyone to just come and look around and be on the list. Okay? Nothing is wrong with that. Thanks you for viewing.